everyone! Today is day 2 of my 30 Days of Drawing challenge, and I'm honestly super excited to start this journey with you. So I grabbed my pencil, opened my sketchbook, and just went for it. You know, sometimes we overthink before we create, but today I decided to just trust the process. As I draw, I realize it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be honest. This challenge isn't just about improving my art skills. It's about staying consistent, sharing my journey, and just creating. Right now, I'm sketching something simple, but it feels good, you know. And I want to share my progress every day, and also my thoughts, because art is about expressing what we feel. Thank you so much for being part of this with me. If you're starting a challenge too, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's grow together, one day at a time. I'll see you tomorrow in day 3. Until then, keep creating and remember to be kind to yourself.